You think a camera can record motion? Do your research, my friend. I have come to realize that no camera can record motion. When we say video, we think that now the camera records every event of every motion that is happening. But that is not true. What a camera does, a camera takes individual photos of what is happening, and then it packs them together so closely within a second such that you are given an illusion of motion. But in reality, the camera did not record the motion. It took photos and then it arranged them individually, so many, so closely together, and then you ride and you get the illusion that something is moving. But in reality, it's individual photos packed closely together and then they form motion. So in reality, there's nothing like video. In reality, there's nothing like a camera recording motion. Photos closely packed together. Even when we are talking about 4K video, you can have like 24 individual photos or individual frames, what they call frames per second, 24 of them packed within a second, or 25 or 30 or 60 photos packed within 1 second. And the more the photos within a second, I believe, the more visible or the more details are captured within the second, and hence the higher the resolution. So sometimes we think blindly that what we know is what things are. But in reality, you dig deep enough and you realize that most of the times and mostly everything that we live is an illusion, it's a lie. So a camera cannot record motion. It can only take individual photos and arrange them in a sequence to give you an illusion of motion. Now you know. You doubt that? Do your research.